Hello, namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am back again with a pick a card reading. Okay, so now in this reading, we are going to see what your person feels about you and how do they see you. Okay, so we have three piles here, so you can choose whatever you like. Okay, we have pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Okay, so we'll start the reading. Okay, so those who have chosen this pile number 1, let's see what universe wants to tell you. You have more options than you realize. Okay, and the message from universe for you is, it sure is hard to get really angry at someone when you can think of all the reasons you love them, and you can. Okay, this is the first message from universe. Universe is trying to say, universe is asking you to keep it simple. Okay, and the message for you is, old souls use words very sparingly, except of course for I love, thank you, wow, now, and cool. Wow, I love you now. Okay. We will also see that the angel messages for you, perfect timing. Okay, so I believe for some of you, angels are saying that you should wait for perfect timing. Okay, no, I feel that for some of you who wants to give up in this relationship, so angels are saying don't give up. Okay, or it could be anything. We'll find out in the reading. And the third message from universe is improving health. So if some of you are going through with some kind of disease or illness, so angels are saying that they are improving your health, so you need not to worry. Okay, now let's see what your person wants to tell you. How do they feel about you, how do they think about you? So we have three cards here. One card is going to show their past feelings towards you, one card is for their present feelings towards you, and one card is for their future feelings towards you. Okay, oh wow, so we have Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands, and the Lovers. So I feel that your person always thought about you in past, that you are someone who is very who is very energetic. Okay, and in past they also find you very cute, and someone who takes actions without even thinking. Okay, that was something like that was cute energy basically, so they never thought bad about you. Okay, in past. Okay, and they also feel that you are the one who can take any step in this relationship, and who will be the giver in this relationship. Okay, with this Knight of Swords. And they also feel that whenever they are coming forward towards you, okay, that will be you who will always be in a welcoming side. Okay, you will always welcome your person. Okay, so that's how they were thinking about you in past. In present they feel that you are someone who knows how to take actions. Okay, they feel that you are someone who doesn't belong who doesn't believe in talking. Okay, and they see that you can put your efforts too in this relationship. Okay, they see you as someone who is doer, not a talker basically. Okay, but now with this Knight of Wands, I feel that they are considering you as someone who is mature. Okay, who takes decisions on the basis of their thought process. Okay, you don't take any decisions in hustle bustle as you used to take decisions in past. Okay, now this Knight of Wands is saying to me that your person feels that you are someone who is very mature. okay, and who knows what could be the, or what would be the consequences of your decisions, okay, not only on your life, but on the people, but on the life of the people which are attached to you, okay. We have Lovers, okay. So the future of this relationship, I mean, in future definitely they are going to feel the mutual attraction, mutual love between you, okay. I mean, from you, okay. This is the Lovers card, and I feel that in future there is going to be a mutual love and mutual connection, mutual attachment, mutual emotions in this love, okay. So they genuinely love you, they have genuine emotions from you, for you, okay. And I feel you have also emotions for your person. That's why uh, you were like Knight of Swords in past, okay. You were always ready to take action towards your partner, and you never thought about any second option in your mind, okay. So there is mutual love between you and your partner, okay. So I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card, and we have fire sign as well in this reading, okay. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and earth sorry, air sign as well in this reading, uh, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay. So that was the reading for pile number 1. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so far, okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello pile number 2 people. Those who have chosen pile number 2 can watch their readings now, okay. So first we'll take some universe messages for you, okay. Universe is saying love is the reason. Each person in your life is there for a reason, and that reason always has something to do with love, okay. This is the first message from universe for you. The second message for you is, what would love do, okay. Do you know why it's so easy for us in the unseen to quickly pinpoint your whereabouts? You leave behind footprints of love. Oh, so that is the second message for you from the universe, okay. Now let's see what angel wants to tell you, okay. We have three angel cards. So some of you, for some of you, angels are saying that you are ready. So whatever action you want to take, okay, towards anything in your life, you can take it, okay. So angels are saying that you are ready. The second message from angels is, reconsider before starting something, or before starting anything in your life. You should reconsider that thing, okay. Reconsider all the good and bad traits coming along with that decisions, okay. And the third message is helpful people. So once you start working towards your goals, towards your desires, wishes, definitely some help, people definitely will come forward and help you, okay, to get what you want in life. Now I have 3 cards. So one card is going to show me what your person was feeling about you in past, okay, and how your person is feeling about you in present, and how they are going to feel about you in future. So this card is for their past feelings towards you. This is present, and this is future. Okay, so with this Page of Pentacles, I feel that your person has always seen you as someone who is always ready to take action towards their finances and goals, okay. And they also feel that you are someone who is very much into career thing, or very much career oriented person basically, okay. They see you as someone who always ready to start something new in terms of career, in terms of job, in terms of financial things, okay. And they really like this quality of yours, okay. So they see you as someone who is not afraid to take any action towards their finances. Basically, they see you as someone who is very determined towards their finances, towards their goals, towards their achievements, towards their career. Okay. In present, they are seeing that I feel that both of you are in contact right now. Okay, and that's why they are feeling that they feel that you are bringing balance into your life as well as into your person's life. Okay, they see you they see you as someone who can heal them. Okay, and plus they are also seeing you that you are healing yourself too. Okay, because I feel that in past you had done some, in past you had done really you had done a lot of hard work. Okay, now you are taking your own time to heal your heart and mind. Okay, and yes, you are being very optimistic in life with this card. Okay, so your person is seeing you as someone who is very much optimistic and who thinks positive all the time. Okay, and plus who is bringing balance into your life and into their life, and you are bringing happiness too. Okay. Okay, so in future they are going to see you, or they want to, in future they feel about you that you are going to be someone who will be really independent in terms of finances and career. Okay, you'll have everything in life, be it financial abundance, be it material things. You'll have everything in life, whatever you desire. Okay, you will be independent, you will be happy, you will be confident. Okay, so they see you as this lady who has everything in life, or this lady or this person who has everything in life, who really enjoys his or her own company. Okay, so they see you as someone who is definitely going to enjoy their independence in future. Okay, so that was the reading for pile number 2. If any of the part of this reading has resonated with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye. Hello, who has chosen this pile number 3? Let's start the reading for you. Okay, so we'll start from some universe messages for you. Okay, let's see what universe wants to tell you. So universe is saying you will find what you seek. Okay, if you have ever suddenly found and been loved by someone amazing, awesome, fun and fantastic, chances are astronomical you will again. If you haven't yet found such a person, chances are astronomical you will. Okay, now let's see what is the second message from universe for you. Time to make a demonstration. Okay, the older the soul, the softer the glance, the quicker the smile, and the sooner to say I love you. They also skip and wink more than normal and hold hands with those they walk besides. Okay, now let's take some angel messages for you. Let's see what angel wants to tell you. Okay, what are the angel messages for you? Not the right time for some of you. If some of you wants to take certain action towards your person or towards anything in life, so angels are saying that that's not the right time. Okay, now let's see what is the second message for you. Choose a new direction. Okay, maybe angels are asking you to choose a new direction, that's why they are saying that this is not the right time. And the third message for you is no need to worry. So angels are saying that whatever decision you are going to take in coming time, okay, first you need not this is not the right time to take any action for your certain plans. Okay, and all plus angels are saying to you that you should change the direction. Okay, and once you will change your direction, okay, then you need not to worry at all, because angels have your back, angels are with you. Okay, now I have 3 cards. Okay, so this card is going to show your partner's feelings towards you in past. How do they felt about you in past. Okay, this is their present energies towards you, and this is going to be their future energies towards you. Okay, So with this Ace of Swords, I feel that your person felt that you were someone who was always ready to take action, or you were someone who wanted to take certain action towards this relationship and towards your person. Okay, but and you were very energetic to take decisions. You were very as I said, as I says, you were doer, not a talker. Okay, so you always wanted to start something new. You always wanted to have something in this relationship, some solid foundation on this relationship. Okay, so this, and you were very energetic and very passionate about this relationship in past. Now they see you as someone who is very anxious, very depressed. Okay, you are sleep deprived, you are not sleeping peacefully in nights, maybe because you wanted to start something new in this relationship with your person, or you wanted your person to start something new in this relationship, but your person wasn't ready for that commitment. Okay, now that feeling is making you anxious, making you depressed, making you sad. That's why you're not sleeping in nights. Okay, so they know that you are not sleeping in nights, they know that you are sad, they know that you are, you are hurt with their behavior. Okay, and I feel that in future also you are going to um, you'll be in a same energy in future also. Maybe you will heal yourself somehow, but I feel that in future you are going to be sad because um, as I said, you wanted your person to start something new in this relationship, or you wanted to start something new in this relationship, but maybe your person dished you. Maybe they do not want to continue with this relationship. Maybe they do not want to start something new in this relationship. So that thing had made you sick and tired, and you are into this energy right now. You are sad, you are tired, you are not sleeping peacefully right now. And I feel that you're going to be very silent in future towards your partner. You are not letting your emotions flow out completely in front of your partner, because you feel that when your partner is not praising you, or your partner is not willing to take this relationship on next level, so there is no need to tell your emotions or tell your feelings, or share your feelings with your partner. Okay, so that will be you in coming time. You will be very secretive, you are not going to tell anything to your partner in coming time. So you will be hiding your emotions basically in this relationship in coming time. Okay, so that's how they feel about you. Okay, in future you are definitely, they would feel that you are hiding something from them. They would feel that you are not letting them into their life. Okay, because you wanted them to take some certain action, or they feel that you wanted to you were keen to take some decisions in this relationship, but your person didn't do that. Okay, so that was the reading for pile number 3. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.